Hello everyone, myself RITHUSREE, DSAI first year student at IIT Roorkee. In this video, we're gonna learn how to write a code in C++ on finding whether the given numbers are Pythagorean triplets or not. So, before learning about the code, let's get to know what Pythagorean triplets really are. Here, Pythagorean triplets are set of positive integers that satisfy Pythagorean theorem, which states that in a right angle triangle, the square of the length of the hypotenuse should be equal to the sum of squares of lengths of other two sides, which is mathematically expressed as a square plus b square equal to c square, where ABC are the lengths of sides of triangle and c is the hypotenuse of the triangle. 3, 4, 5 is one of the example of a Pythagorean triplet. Before writing the code, we need to understand the maths present in it. As our aim is to find whether the numbers are Pythagorean triplets or not, we first need to understand what Pythagoras theorem is. Here, as shown in the figure, three sides of triangle are given, and where C is the hypotenuse. And according to the Pythagoras theorem, a square plus b square is equal to c square. This code in C++ checks whether three numbers form a Pythagorean triplet or not. This code includes header files, namespaces, main function, variable declaration, input, checking the Pythagorean condition, output function, and return statement. In and all, this code prompts the user to enter three numbers and check if they form Pythagorean triplet or not. If it's true, it prints that they're Pythagorean triplets, otherwise it prints they're not. Let's move ahead to see the detailed explanation. So, this is the first line in this code. This includes the standard input or output stream library, which allows the program to use cout or cin. And in the second line, using namespace std, we can avoid the need of using this prefix. And now in main, this is generally the entry point of C++ program, or the function where execution of program takes place. Now let's see what the three lines in this code are. So in this code, we first declared that the variables a, b, c are integers. Cout is used to ask the user to enter the values of given variables, and cin takes the values given by the user and then saves them. So we then use if and else statements in this code. This above condition. This condition checks whether the numbers a, b, c form Pythagorean triplet. A Pythagorean triplet satisfies the equation a square plus b square equal to c square, or any permutation of it, which is expressed here. So here, if statement checks three possible combinations to see which of them satisfies Pythagorean condition. If any of these conditions, this or this or this, if any of the conditions mentioned in the statement is true, then after execution, it shows that the numbers are Pythagorean triplets. If none of the conditions mentioned is true, then after execution, it shows that they're not Pythagorean triplets, as we used else condition here. And at last, we use return 0, which indicates that the program ran successfully. So this is the code we have written, and now let's run the code, verify whether the numbers are Pythagorean triplets or not. Now let's cross verify it, and 3, 5, 7, these are not. So that's it. Thank you.